How to hide Reels ad on your Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You will just go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, as you see, you will just go down here to Reels. And now, for example, this is this reels it's ad. I want to hide it. I will just go here on this 3 point, then I will just click on the first word with the red color, hide ad. I will just click hide ad, and then they will say why you are hiding this ad. For example, I see it too often because I see this ad too much. I will click like this, and that's it. Instagram will say you won't see this ad again, and that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.